Hey guys, are your brake lights all on? They're all solid? I know the problem for that. The problem for that is the brake light switch. The brake light switch is located underneath your dash. Let me get the light for you. It'll be right in there. Now, it'll be right. Do you see the K2 on this phone? Hold on 1 second. K2 is located right on top of K2. Okay? Let me get it out for you. The way you get it out, you gotta twist it out. Pinch the two plastic clips. And twist it counterclockwise. And it should come out for you. It's the easiest way to take it out is from the side underneath. You're gonna have to take out the whole panel. No need for that. Okay? There'll be two wires hooked onto this. That's one wire, and that's the second wire. This is the brake light switch. Once you replace this, hook those two wires back on. Let me show you the two wires. That's where the K2 is. You see that? That's the new switch. It's plugged in right on top of the K2 with the two red wires. Once that's fixed, the back tail light should be off. You see? Press and brake, and they're flashing. That piece again is right there. K2 switch.